Great to you. Welcome back. Sure, you're doing so well. Okay, so the Ireland Fellows Program is now open. I made a video about 2 days ago informing you that it will be open on Monday. So it's now open from Monday 29th June to July 2026, 26th July. So I just want to quickly show you how to apply. May not do a very full long video, but I'll show you everything you need to know to go ahead and do it on your own. But if you still need help on how to apply, so do get in touch with me. I would be more than happy to do the personal statement for you and every other thing that is involved. Okay, so you quickly come here to program overview. Then when you are here, program overview, you scroll down. You can read every other thing on your own. That is what this scholarship is about. Just a reminder is for you to choose any Irish university you want to study and choose the program that this scholarship covers, and then you apply um, for the scholarship via the university. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so you keep scrolling down. You can read eligibility criteria on your own. So fellowship are strictly by invitation only. That is when you finish this first step I'm going to show you. Then they will your embassy, your country's embassy will invite you for the second stage. So that's how it works. Okay, you can read all this on your own now. How do you apply? So you click detail of the application form here, and then you come here. So when you are here, you need to identify your country. If you are from Africa, Asia, Pacific, so you check your countries. I see your country, and then you click the link that your country is eligible. I mean, it's what's the word? That the link that takes you to your country's website, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna do example. Let me use example Africa. Let me check Nigeria. Use Nigeria. Um, and then when you are in Nigeria, so you come here, you application document, you check the documents, what is needed, so which are they are yet to come. So you check your guidance, all these you need to, these are the processes, first step, second step, and interviews. Okay, so you move down to application form. So how do you apply? So more detail to Ireland Fellows Program, Roger. Okay, so now you come to case online application. You click there. Yeah, it takes you to the application form. So Ireland Fellows Program 2027, 2028. Okay, so your applications are open. You can see you view eligibility criteria. I'm sure you've already read that before now. And once you've viewed that, you click apply now. And you choose your country. So you have till 26 July to apply. So you click more info and apply now. Yeah. Once you are here, you create your account, put your email address, so charity media at yahoo.com, and then you continue. So it's full. These are the benefits of the scholarship while it's loading. It's fully funded, living stipend included, global alumni network, and everything involved. So they will send uh, this thing. They will send a code to your email address, which you will. So I've got the verification code. I paste it there. Then my account will be created. Okay, so once it's created, you put in all your details here. Let's say, just like I said, I will not finish it because I don't want it to be too long. So Nigeria, Put your phone number, your phone number, and then your nationality, Nigeria, then continue. Cool. So when you're here, so this page is for applicants from Nigeria. So the name of the cycle application is Roger Casment Fellowship. So you continue, not started your application yet, you continue here, and it takes you to application summary. Cool. So you put in your relevant work experience here. How many years of experience do you have? Do you do you hold a bachelor's degree? You tick either yes or no. Nigeria, that's your nationality. Country of residence, you choose Nigeria where you are staying right now. And then, have you previously applied for Ireland Fellowship? Yes or no, if you have. I understand that this covered recipient, however you read this visa. I understand that the Ireland Fellows Program covers the recipients only. So if this one doesn't cover your the support for your spouse's visa, so you click there. And then save and continue. And the next one will be your personal information. And it will not allow me to enter, let's say, no, I'll just click here. Country of, do you have a bachelor's degree? Yes. And then when you click yes, you add the year that you graduated, and final, we had first class. Do you hold, do you currently hold a study master's program? No. And country of residence, Nigeria. Click that. I understand that this that. And then you would think it would then allow me to move forward. You click save and move forward. So, okay, relevant work experience, 2 years, we'll put that, save and continue. Cool. And then you put your personal information here, all this, your date of birth. It's very easy. And then you put your educational background, your experience, your pathway declaration. Another document is very easy, and then you submit. You put your documents and submit. Okay, so this is the first stage. So if you pass through this first stage, they will now call you for the second stage. And the second stage, after the second stage, will be interview. So you will get your scholarship. Get in touch if you need help on how to write it, because there will be some personal statements to write here, especially this work experience. We'll be more than happy to help you, but not free of charge, just to keep the ministry going. If you need, do not forget that I'm rooting for you. Do not stop rooting for yourself. See you at the top. That's where I belong. Yeah, I forgot. Please, please, please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've watched this, and let me know the country you're watching from, so that I will meet you at the comment section, or the video that you'd like me to make again or going forward. Please subscribe to our community, okay, and become the Greater You community member. Great. All right. See you in the next one. Bye bye.